talk about how you can create a simple presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. Now you can start using PowerPoint by choosing this PowerPoint app. And before you come up with the content of your presentation, you have to first choose a theme that suits your personality. So now let's say I want to choose this frame template for my presentation. Now all the slides that you're going to create will be based on the theme that you have just picked. You can choose a variant of the theme under this Design tab. Let's say if I want to use this orange version of the theme instead of the original one. Then once I click on this variant, it's going to apply to all my slides. To further customize your slides, you can also upload a picture to be used as the background. So now, let's type in something for the very first slide. Let's try to type in introduction for the title and HKUST for the subtitle. And then I want to create another slide for my presentation. Then I can simply choose the Home tab and then choose New Slide. And then choose the layout that I want to use for the new slide and then choose Add Slide. And now you can see that the background picture that you have picked for the first slide didn't show up on the second slide. To fix it, you can simply go back to the first slide and then choose the Design tab and say that you want to apply the background picture to all the slides. And now let's type in some content for the second slide. Let's say you want the title to be Types of Application Software. And you can highlight application software, go back to the Home tab, increase the font size to 44 to emphasize on these two words. And I can type in some further content for my presentation using this bullet list. I can insert some other elements into my presentation using this Insert tab. So now let's say I want to insert some shapes into my presentation. And then I can simply choose the shapes that I want to use. Let's say a star and a call out. And then I can rotate, resize, and move them around. And let's say I want the star to be yellow and the call out to be green. And I can add some text to a shape by right click and then choose Edit Text. Now I can create animations for my presentation by choosing the object that I want to animate. Let's say this bullet list and then choose the Animations tab. And let's say I want to choose the fly-in effect for the bullet list. Now let's preview the presentation in slideshow mode. And then you can see that we create the fly-in animation for the bullet list. Okay, now what if we want to animate the individual items under the bullet list one by one? To animate the items one by one, you can simply choose to animate by paragraph. And then animation effect will be applied to each individual item. You can also choose the transition effect between the two slides by choosing the Transitions tab and then apply the transition that you want to use. And now it's time to view the presentation in slideshow mode. And finally, you can choose to download your presentation as a Microsoft PowerPoint file or as a PDF file.